Hello, my name is Daniel, and today I'll show you how to bring your test automation into the AI era with QFTest 11. I'll also walk you through additional features of our new version of QFTest. QFTest is our extremely powerful tool for professional UI test automation. It supports testing of many different software platforms, offers a sophisticated visual UI for editing and debugging tests, and countless other useful features. Yet for months, conversations have been dominated by one topic. How do you handle artificial intelligence? And rightly so. AI is very capable of accelerating and streamlining processes in test automation. That is why the focus of QFTest 11 is on our AI capabilities. QFTest 11 integrates AI in two dimensions: AI features in QFTest and AI features with QFTest. I'll now give you a brief overview of these new functions. When you launch QFTest, a brand new icon greets you in the toolbar, our test suite generation assistant. Simply tell it what you want to test, and QFTest works with an integrated AI agent to turn your plan into a well-structured, functional test suite draft. The QFTest agent can examine your application live and independently identify the most important functions and paths for a thorough test. Within just a few minutes, you receive a detailed test case draft that you can continue working on in QFTest. At the heart of these generated test steps is the new AI instruction node, which makes the extensive capabilities of an AI available during your test run. Tell the AI what it should do or verify, and the selected AI model will use the robust connection between QFTest and your application to execute your instructions efficiently and dynamically. AI also supports you in other areas of QFTest. For example, you can now generate tailored test data in data tables with just a few clicks to speed up the testing process. As before, QFTest follows an open, bring your own model approach for AI. You can simply configure your own AI models via the options and then use them flexibly within QFTest. With QFTest, you always remain in control and can decide for yourself which AI provider and which model is granted access to your test data. We also ensure that smaller models can work well with QFTest's tools. The list of compatible providers is constantly growing and now includes the popular command line tools Claude Code and GitHub Copilot. But we also know that power users have long been working with Agentic AI in their own terminal or IDE. QFTest can be used there too, thanks to the new built-in MCP server. Our MCP server provides efficient and powerful tools to enable your AI agent to control and test websites, applications, and apps. This lets you integrate robust UI tests directly into your existing agentic development environment. But QFTest 11 goes one step further. Thanks to our MCP toolkit, you can extend the list of tools as you see fit. Simply record a sequence of steps with QFTest, convert it into a procedure, and activate it as an MCP tool. This lets you use QFTest as a kind of proxy to make applications MCP capable that were previously not controllable by AI. We're excited to see what new process automation possibilities our users will unlock with the MCP toolkit. But enough about AI. The core mission of QFTest remains robust, stable, and reproducible UI test automation. QFTest 11 also delivers great new features in this area. The new procedure recording feature makes it possible to identify suitable procedures from your own procedure library during the interactive recording of actions and automatically inserts them into your test. This makes it easier for you and your team to find and consistently use your own procedures. You can also use the same mechanism to automatically clean up existing test cases and replace individual nodes with structured procedure calls. The configuration of this automatic procedure detection is extremely flexible and well documented, making it suitable for complex procedures and libraries as well. Also new in QFTest is the OpenAPI import. OpenAPI is an industry standard for specifying web API interfaces. With QFTest 11, you can import such specifications into QFTest. QFTest then creates a comprehensive test suite in seconds that can test every single endpoint and parameter for correct behavior. This ensures at any point in time that your API actually behaves in accordance with its specification. When the importer can detect a create, read, update, delete operation group, it generates a self-contained test case that declares all necessary variables within the test case and links the complete CRUD sequence. Each phase is introduced by a comment node for better readability. Using QFTest is made enormously easier in QFTest 11 by the new command palette. You can call it up at any time using a simple keyboard shortcut and search through your suites and projects. You can also find and use almost any function of QFTest through the palette. The underlying search algorithm is intelligent and handles fuzzy search terms without any difficulty. In summary, QFTest 11 brings powerful AI tools for test generation and execution, as well as an MCP server. The innovative MCP toolkit also makes it possible to integrate previously non-AI capable applications into agentic workflows. And on top of that, QFTest 11 offers, as always, excellent cross-platform software quality assurance and numerous small and large quality of life improvements. As always, everything new in QFTest 11 can be found in the detailed release notes on our website qftest.com. There, you will of course also find the download link for a free trial version, so you can get started with QFTest 11 right away.